Are you part of the management team for a growing restaurant chain? Do you or someone on your team conduct internal operational assessments? If there's one thing customers expect when they arrive at their favorite restaurant chain, it's consistency. Whether they go to a store in one city or the next, the experience they have will be the same every time. Offering a visually and physically consistent product is what sets the backbone for your chain to grow and replicate itself in new locations. But you're busy worrying about growth. So how do you make sure consistency is maintained? This is where we fit in. Many restaurant chains use nothing more than old paper and Excel to track their business's operational assessments. At MeazureUp, we take these legacy assessment forms, digitize them onto tablets, giving new functionality that paper Excel can't match. Now you can add comments, pictures, action plans, and receive aggregated data for your entire organization all in real time. Using the MeazureUp solution will result in identifying operational issues sooner, preserving and enhancing your corporate brand, make data-driven decisions. Overall, we'll make it easier to know what's going on in your business so that you can focus on the important stuff, like growing your brand. Let us help with the details.